What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to enable procedural foliage in Unreal Engine 5. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. After launching Unreal Engine, navigate to Edit and select Editor Preferences. On this window, select Experimental in your General Settings tab. Under Foliage, you have the option to enable procedural foliage. You will also need to download the Open World Demo Collection content pack from the Unreal Engine Marketplace, as some content used for procedural foliage will be available there. Simply open up your Epic Games launcher, and in the Unreal Engine section, navigate to Marketplace. Here, search for Open World Demo Collection, which will allow you to download it here for free on your Windows PC. After clicking on Free, navigate to your library and under Vault, click on Add to Project for the Open World Demo Collection. You will then be shown a list of projects that you can add this to. Select the project that you are using and then press the Add to Project button. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.